I am so excited about this wig that I'm about to review that I had to bring it to you immediately. It has literally just been launched and here I am in front of my camera. That is how excited I am about this wig. So let's get on with the necessary. Please do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out any videos in the future, and let's review. The wig that I am reviewing today is called Atty. It's by Sleek and it's part of their Spotlight Luxurious Wigs collection. One thing I have to say is that the stock card does not do this wig justice. The stock card is awful. It's so bad. You can see it on your screen right now. I don't know. They really have to improve in their photography skill. My word, how not to photograph a wig. But anyway, don't pay attention to the stock card because this wig is so much better than the stock card. Here it is, straight out the box. Do you see what I mean about those colors? Look at the stock card. Look at these colors on the screen. It has nothing to do with the stock card. This wig is so much more pretty. I cannot tell you enough. This wig is gorgeous. It is actually a true blonde. It's beautiful. And the roots are like a dark ash brown. I'm just going to test for some shedding. Just a few strands. The wig is a full cap wig with a lace part and it has 1, 2, 3 combs and adjustable straps. Often on the manufacturers will call these drawstrings. One of my followers said to me, well, they're not actually drawstrings, are they? They are adjustable straps. So I will try and remember from now on to call them adjustable straps. So it has the adjustable straps so that you can change the size of the cap. Now, how to use the adjustable straps. This is the strap. You will see that there are loopholes here. To make the cap smaller, just insert into one of the loopholes. I have seen some people taking the straps and then strapping them to each other. That's not really how they're supposed to be used because you will break the straps. So it goes into one of those holes like so. It has a nice stretchy cap. It doesn't have any lace, it finishes like so, but it does have baby hairs. So you can get a nice finish with that. I love the density. It's so realistic that I think that this would be good for both white and black people because some of the problems that you can have with a wig made just for Afro-Caribbeans is that the wig tends to be really voluminous. This one isn't, which means that whether you're white or black, you can wear this hair without it seeming like you've got a helmet on your head. Now the big moment. Got a beautiful lace part. I haven't had to pluck or anything. It's just wonderful. Wow, I love it. The texture is soft. The curls are perfect. This is a really long wig. Don't know how long it is. Maybe I'll measure it afterwards and I'll put it on the screen for you. But look at this wig, girl. Got your baby hairs here, so it doesn't matter that the wig doesn't finish with lace because the baby hairs just make it look really realistic. Now all I'm going to do is just tuck them under like that. Just leave out a couple so it looks really realistic. I haven't even put any foundation in there and it looks this bomb. It's big head friendly. This is the wig with all the hair at the front, side, back. Perfect wig. I have nothing negative to say about this wig. I actually got this wig in 2 colors. This is the same wig but I've got it in a color 2. It's so beautiful. However, I am partial to that blonde. I absolutely adore this wig. I'm going to leave the links to purchase down below. Also during the video you will have seen a discount code appear on your screen. Use it to get money off this wig. Do not waste time. This wig is stunning and it will sell out fast. So ladies, if you like this wig, give me a thumbs up and see you on my next review.